welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajni Verma and you are watching Try to Thrive. So today the day number 32 and we are going to learn another new word. But before starting the video, the same that you don't have anyone to speak with, to practice with, you can mail me and my mail is given in the about section. Go and check it out. Okay, now the word for today is arduous. Arduous. We can use this word as an adjective, which means hard to accomplish or achieve. Hard to accomplish or achieve. Okay, now the synonyms of the word: difficult, challenging, strenuous, and rigorous. Difficult, challenging, strenuous, and rigorous. Now, how we can use this word in sentences? So the first example is, he went through a long and arduous training program. He went through a long and arduous training program. And the second example is, it was an arduous journey across miles of desert. It was an arduous journey across miles of desert. Note down this word in your diary and learn one word with me every day. And that is really easy and effective. Believe me, it's effective. So note down this word in your diary and we will discuss all the words at the end of the week when I'll come live on Sunday at 9 p.m. Don't forget to join the live. Bye bye.